Guys, look. I think I caught someone trying to steal the G80. I don't know what he's doing, though. He's just taking pictures of it? I don't know. Let's go confront him. All right, guys, look. I found the thief. Put your hands up. Oh, he's running. He's running. He's running. Anyways, guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a little more chill. I mean, every day is going to be more chill. Were you trying to hump the M3?
No, I was not.
I know it's got hips, but dude, chill. Anyways.
All I'm saying, there's 4 exhaust times.
And there's 2 of us, so.
You picked that?
Sorry. This is going the wrong path. By the way, JD Explicit Whips, who I keep on calling Justin. It's not going to that. Go check him out. We still need to get used to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, that would be cool.
So guys, please go subscribe to my boy. He's got a sick 435.
Yes, sir.
Which you have news coming out for it, right?
Yes.
Are you gonna? I'm not gonna talk about it.
But
you'll talk about it.
Yeah, in a week. A video will be out in a week.
In a week.
Explaining what happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's here to drive the G80 M3.
I'm scared.
Are you actually?
Nervous a little bit.
It is. Look, the first time I drove a G80/G82 was with Mike Slow Speed. I think his was tuned at the time. His was rear-wheel drive, and I'm not gonna lie, I was mad nervous. So I get you. It's an expensive car. It's not your car.
Yeah.
But I'll be honest with you.
Like a baby though.
Well, not too much. Not like Sticks. Drove it like a Camry.
We'll push it today a little bit.
Yeah, push it. You know, safely. It's at least like not wet.
In Mexico.
And oh yeah, in Mexico.
Yeah, we have to travel down there.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna go. In Mexico. Yeah, but you'll be fine. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's a lot easier to drive than you think. Thankfully, it's not lowered yet either. It's X-Drive. You know, you'll be fine.
We'll have fun. And
Have
it's a
fun,
safe
enjoy
man.
it. By the way, if you couldn't tell, JD was the man. I asked him to wear light colors. By the way, I'm not because I'm a hypocrite. Because you guys know, it is my. Well, I was telling JD I got a whole bunch of these pants. They're like shiny. Like they're not like they don't. Yeah, they don't bleed. What do you call it? Like what's the word? Ink?
Dye?
Not dye.
Yeah.
Dye. I said ink. Anyways, asked him to wear light colors because the ivory interior. So the seats are already bad, but you know, just so they don't get worse.
Guys, by the way, this is like a dream car. Not this one, the G82, but.
Hey. Well, you know.
Hey, you have a family.
Have you ever driven a G80 or G82?
I've sat in the back of the G82.
You sat in the front of this
in
one.
the KIF edition, actually.
Oh, that's even cooler.
Yeah.
But anyways, let's get inside the car,
Okay.
and then we'll go for a little drive.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, we got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, are you in man? No, you're in. All right, that's manual.
Okay.
So.
Is it the same thing as the DCT?
Yeah, it is pretty much the same setup. You literally just like follow this over here, and then if you want, what you can do here is you can put the car into different M modes. So you can do. Look at the cluster over there. So you can do sport. See how that changes versus road, which is like that.
Okay.
Sport's more exciting, but obviously for your video. By the way, guys, he's gonna do like a full review on his video. Yeah, so go check out his
structured review. Like
yeah, unlike my mindless video. You can also do the only difference with track is this will turn off. So activate, and then this will turn
so
off.
It looks just like sport, just that.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just
And I think it
focus.
gives you like a few more. You can also change what's on there. But yeah, otherwise, I mean, you're pretty much good to go. You ready?
I think so.
I think you're ready. It definitely feels weird, being in like.
Oh, she's torquey down low.
Yeah. Well, are you in M mode?
Am I in M mode?
No, you're not. It would show on the screen. It's weird being the passenger of your own car. It's nice. I was telling JD, I'm like actually excited for him to drive it. Like you got to share the experience, you know? It's kind of lame to hold it to yourself. Try putting in M1. Yeah, there you go. Do you feel the difference?
Yeah, she's holding the reins more.
Yeah. See, the transmission is in the highest, but like it's still automatic. M2.
Oh, the suspension is good.
Yeah, suspension is really good. M2. I don't remember. Maybe I took M2 out of 2-wheel drive. It is 2-wheel drive. Oh, and it's still. Oh, and it is manual. So we'll put. Obviously, you can shift the paddle shifters, but let's just keep you in M1 for now while you get used to it. Anyways, we'll circle back in the end of the video to see his what he thinks. If you guys want the full video,
I feel like
go to his channel.
At a One Direction concert.
Bro, it's such a fun car to drive. It really is. All right, guys. So we went on a fun drive. You definitely pushed it.
A little bit.
A little bit. You didn't go crazy, but again, I get it. You know, it's not your car. I kept on telling him. I was like, just go.
It was kind of scary. It was kind of scary in a good way.
In a good way.
The power, you don't understand how much power this car has until you drive it. And it makes you want to work hard. It makes you want to work hard.
To buy one of these.
I want to buy one so bad.
I mean,
because everything is put together, suspension, chassis, the interior, like it's just an all-around package. And I think you mentioned this the other day in your video. It's like this is the closest you can get to Porsche Velo.
Yes.
And
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Well, I mean, I agree because I said that. People are gonna be triggered by that, but it is what it is. But overall, like, you liked it, right?
I love the car.
Yeah.
I love the car. Let me see those keys real quick.
Here, just take it. Like I said, you're gonna take the monthly payment, and you're gonna take the insurance. I'll tell you what bank to pay. Here you go. Oh, actually, now you get the 3 Series and the X5 too. Pay for all of them.
So the X5 and the 3 Series. Now I don't have to.
There we go.
But yeah, guys. Here you go. Can't afford that yet.
Thank you.
Can't afford that.
I'll take that back. But yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, overall, go check out JD's video. You'll get more detail, but overall, I really enjoyed that. Like, it sounds weird, but like, it's cool to be in the passenger seat of your own car.
You think so?
I think so, because you never. I mean, there's definitely times. It wasn't because of you. It's like some of those people. You guys go watch this video. You'll see there's some like sketchy people, man. It wasn't JD's fault. I want to take your car out for a drive next, but I don't know if we're gonna have time to, because I'm a married man, and I already got the countdown. So
This is Captain Father.
Captain Fatherhood. But anyways, guys, go check out JD's video. Go subscribe to his channel. We're freezing, so we're gonna go. But yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, which was pretty random, sporadic, and no point to it.
Or subscribe.
Yeah.
Notification bell. Like, comment. You already know what to do.
Yes, please like the videos. It's free. As Stick says, free 99. I need to start talking like Sticks. G80,000.
Sticks, aka Sticks.
That was like, yo, that clip was hilarious. What up, guys? It's your boy Sticks, aka Sticks. Not even his real name was in there once. It was his nickname, aka his nickname.
Which is, I guess, his real name?
Yeah, it's his real name. I actually don't even call him his real name anymore.
I don't know.
I feel like sometimes I call you your actual name.
It's okay.
Anyways.
But if you say my full name, it's like, what did I do?
Oh. It's not gonna come from me. It might come from, you know, that call you got earlier. Anyways, guys, with that said, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. But anyways, here's Here Today to dance.